Hello beautiful people, how are you? Welcome once again to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by. How are you guys coping? Actually, I decided to start this video with checking up on you guys, okay, before we go for the main thing you have seen in the title. So hope you are coping well, your family, everybody. I know that these times are unprecedented times, okay, and yeah, some people are passing through a lot of challenges this period. I just send you peace, hope and love, okay? Stay beautiful and don't worry, everything will be fine. For Malaysia, I don't know what's happening right now. You guys should gist me what's happening in Malaysia. I'm in Malaysia, but like what's happening right now, you know, with the cases and all that. I can see a lot of increase. I just hope all will be fine, guys. So today we are going to try some food just nearby. I've been busy of lately, like I told you guys, my plan for this January. So, but we're going to try some food now. So let's see how it goes. I'll give you my reactions. Anyways, make sure you subscribe if you are new. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining every time. And let's go and see. So I'm already at the side, but I'm waiting for the vehicles to move. You know, that's what you deal with a roadside restaurant. And it seems roadside restaurants' food are always sweeter. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. By the way, this area is around, I think, section 17, going towards section 19. Okay, let me just show you. So it's just saw this roadside restaurant here. I'll just go to one of them. I think that guy there. Anyways, let me cross and see you at the site. So this is the place I want to go. The other side there is just like a long street. Those ones looks a little bit busy. But since this one is empty, I think I should try to eat here. What do you guys think? So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If I stay like this, it's dark. If I stay like this, it's bright. So definitely I think I'm going to sit down somewhere here. Somewhere here, yes. Hello. Hi. You have food? What food do you have? Okay, let me go and try. Let me check their menu. The place looks so beautiful, actually. I think I'm happy I came here. You guys can see. I will just show you their kitchen stuff, okay? Economic fast food, okay? So they have NYONYA with chicken / fish and prawn. Thighs fried with chicken, fish, prawn, beef, mutton. Okay, they have very good stuffs. I don't even know which one I'm going to take. But the place looks so good. This is the restaurant. Yeah, assuming why I think it's an extension. That's why it looks empty. Majority of people are there. Oh no, that's a different restaurant, I think. Where it's like their own more of takeaway. People just come and take away. So let me go and check. I want to try. This one is it Chinese food or Chinese? This one?
Yes, Chinese.
Chinese, Malay, all. So
Ini ada
butter chicken.
Yep.
This one butter chicken with rice, with nasi? No.
Ada nasi. Ada.
Okay, hi auntie. So I look for the food.
Yeah.
Which food do you think I should try? This Chinese, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which one is very good? I try for video.
Everything is okay lah.
Okay, guys, auntie say everything is okay.
I got black pepper, this one, sweet sour, everything.
Everything. NYONYA.
Nyonya chicken.
Okay. Can I try NYONYA? NYONYA is Malaysian food, right?
Yeah.
Is it with the rice? It's come
Yeah,
with the
with the
rice and the chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's try NYONYA.
Okay.
This
Eat
is,
here.
huh?
Eat here.
Yes, I'll eat here. This is
Okay.
Chinese food, huh?
Okay.
Okay. So guys, we're trying NYONYA. What of drink? You have the drink?
Body.
Huh?
Body.
Badi. I never.
Bali ice.
Oh,
Bali ice.
this one.
Yeah. It's Bali ice.
Bali ice.
It's
This one body.
Oh, Bali. Wow.
Chinese tea. Chinese ice.
Chinese tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
one
Well, this
Bali.
one you make with what?
Body.
Oh, Bali is something. It's a seed.
The very hot one.
Very. Oh.
Very nice one.
Okay, we try. We
You
try.
want ice or no ice?
Ice. Oh, guys, this is good. I've never tried this one before.
Where you come from?
I come from Africa, Nigeria. Yeah. So this is Bali,
Long
guys.
time already.
You said?
came long time already.
Yes,
Yeah,
before
then
the...
cannot come in one.
No, now cannot.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the corona, the COVID.
Corona.
Okay. So guys, that's their kitchen. You guys can see all the stuff where they do their cooking and all that. Okay, I think... Oh, wow. Looks so good. Oh. Okay, she's just washing the pot. Probably she's going to prepare the food there together. That's what I want to see. Let me look for a good location. I don't know if you guys can see what is going on there, but I will try. This bali is made with chicken, right? Is it halal? Everybody can eat this food?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, good. So, halal, okay, good. So guys, she said it's halal, so even the Muslims can also try to eat the food. Very great. So look at the chicken. I think she put in a flour or something. Then she fries it. Let's just try to capture the moment. The best I can show you guys. Okay, something good is happening. Can you hear the sound? Chinese what? Muslim? Oh, you also? Oh, okay. So there is some progress. Wow, everything there I can just see smoke. I think it's ready. Ooh. Let's wait for the food, guys. I think it's getting ready already. So this one is just rice and chicken.
Yeah. NYONYA chicken.
No, okay, the chicken is NYONYA chicken. That's what makes it special.
Special.
Okay, this one is how much?
Huh?
How much? What's the price?
$6. Very
Only
cheap.
$6.
Very cheap.
Wow, and the drink?
And the drink is $7.50.
7.
Drink $1.50.
Oh, 150
Together,
plus this one 770. Wow, very cheap.
Very cheap. After you cannot get.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so let's start. Actually, this food is going to be a tantalizing one. I'm already seeing from the vibes here. So this drink, they call it barley drink. Do you guys know it? I didn't really get it, but it looks totally different. I've never tried it before. I just had to stir the stuff, but that was the thing I was showing you guys there. So, but what do you guys think about this drink? Have you tried it before? I can see some wonderful stuff here. Let's just taste. The taste is like soya. The taste is like soya and it doesn't have sugar so much like that too. Okay guys, so I've gotten a straw now. Let me taste again and tell you guys how it really tastes. Wow. It's like very less sugar, guys. Very less sugar. And it's 1 ringgit 50 cents. I'm suspecting it to be healthy. Barley drink. Do you guys know this drink? If you have tried it before, let me know in the comment section below. Basically, I think it's a Chinese Muslim restaurant. So it is halal, right? Everybody can try the food here. Okay, this drink is very good anyways. So let's start eating the food. Okay, this is the meal, our special meal for today. So I'm so delighted to taste and let you guys know. NYONYA rice, okay? NYONYA chicken rice. So let's see. It's just so filled with a lot of this special chicken. They said this chicken is the NYONYA chicken. So you guys should let me know what's the difference between NYONYA chicken and the normal ayam that we usually eat. Let me know in the comment section below. Hey man, wow. One thing I can see with this food has a lot of this scent leaf, I think. So I guess it will be very healthy. I'm trying to analyze the taste. Let me take one more. Maybe I can be able to know how this thing really tastes. Let me see. Wow. The taste is so marvelous, guys. It has different tastes from what I tried before. Okay, from that. All the foods I've tried is totally different. The taste is totally different, but it tastes good, it's balanced. I think there's a kind of special sauce that they have used to make this thing. And the taste is like, will I say, the mixture? Somebody just outside driving just saw me and waved me, and I also, but before I could turn the camera, it's too late. So yes, the taste, like I was saying, is very special, guys. I don't know how to say the taste, but I think it is balanced, both sweet and a little bit of how do I even explain? Both sweet, not like sugary like that, but it has that very tiny taste of the sweetness, okay, and a little bit of tastiness, okay. So balance that together, what do you get? It's just like adding salt and sugar, but the salt is a little bit more than the sugar, okay. So what do you get after that? Let me know in the comment section below. That's how my taste bud tells me, but I like it. The meat is totally different. It tastes so, you know, a little bit very soft, and at the same time, will I say, middle of hard. Not so hard, not so hard. It's actually soft, very well cooked. So it's just amazing. Let me just say, I don't know how to explain the taste of this thing, but it's so good. And then with all this, is that even onions? I don't think that's onions. Guys, okay, I think it's onions, but the other one, I'm not sure it's onions. But the food is really good. With the scent leaf, everything, the aroma coming out. Oh my God. So satisfying. And it's the spiciness of this one, okay. Now I'm beginning to get the spicy. Maybe I didn't chew the spicy before. You know here, what they call spicy, they will put the raw pepper for you. Okay, they will put the raw pepper for you. At this restaurant, this one that I'm trying now. So initially I thought it's not spicy, but now I can see that the spiciness is coming out. It's actually spicy, guys. I wanted to say not spicy, but now I'm feeling the vibes of the spiciness. It's good. If you think in Malaysia you just try one or two food and you say you are trying Malaysian food, you are just starting. I was thinking so before, until you guys started telling me, try this one, try this one, try this one. There are many foods, just try. And now I can see that really, I have not even tried up to half of Malaysia. What is half? I have not tried up to quarter. There are so many. And on the menu, you will see that there are different specialties that makes that particular meal, of course, special. So this is so good if you ask me. Maybe this channel will turn to food channel very soon. Who knows? It's spicy. When I started tasting the spiciness, that's when the food started making sense to me. Sorry for those who don't eat spicy food. But for me, I love spicy, but not very spicy. If not, you may have to look for somebody to come and carry me out of there. This is good. And the price is so cheap, guys. So cheap. This rice is 6 ringgit. Only 6 ringgit. The mommy was even telling me that you may not be able to find this in other places, you understand? So this is really good. 6 ringgit. Why the drink? Okay, special drink, not just the normal drink. This is special drink, the barley drink. Is actually what? 1 ringgit 50 cents. So imagine, together that's 7 ringgit 50 cents for this food, and it's satisfying. Very good for breakfast, very good for lunch. In Malaysia, people come to take their lunch around from 12. So this video is shot actually around 12, I think. This is a working day on Monday. People come earlier to take their lunch, and it's just amazing, guys. This is really good, guys. And I love the view. Like you're eating and you can be able to watch all those cars moving, you know? Isn't it amazing? Because it's like a roadside restaurant, right? So you're eating, you're seeing the cars, wow. You see? And then all the people there and all that. It's just so bad. Okay, people started coming. It's just so balanced. People started coming already to come and eat here. And most of the people I was seeing earlier on are actually those that are doing the takeaway. Okay, the cars are moving now. Cars are moving.
A few moments later.
So yes, I think I've been able to almost round up this food, guys. Sorry, the camera was hot, so I needed to just shut it down a bit. So yeah, I finished the food almost. And I'm thinking I would come here for more. Since they're not far from my place, so they have gotten a customer. Okay, I will definitely come here for more food. Highly recommended. NYONYA chicken rice. This is good. This is really good. I actually recommend this restaurant. okay, or let's say roadside restaurant or something. This is so good. So my final assertions about their food: number one, the Chinese people I met here, they are really welcoming, like very, very welcoming. Some of the things are not even on the scene, like I didn't show it, okay? But they are very welcoming. And I think it's like a family business. Since the husband and the wife are working here, I'm not so sure, but I guess so. But there's also a Muslim also working here with them. So this is very nice. And here's other woman with hijab, right? She should be a Malay, I'm not sure, I think so. Also working here with them. So this is so balanced. This lets me know that Malaysia is actually one. Like I said in my last video, Satu Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia is Satu Malaysia. One Malaysia. How are you, sir? Thank you. Yeah, this one is video. For yeah, it's camera. Lumix, yes. For YouTube. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Daddy. The lens.
Use like a lens.
Oh yes, very nice. Mirrorless. Thank you so much. So that's a daddy here. People are actually very friendly here and open, if you ask me. And you can see he's elderly and he just came and just to greet me and get my attention. That's so good. The presentation of the food is also nice and the food is cheap. Very, very cheap for this food. I think truly in some of the Chinese restaurants outside or the competitors, you get it more expensive, okay, far beyond maybe 15 ringgit or so. And what's there, the taste is almost the same if you ask me. In fact, I prefer local roadside food like this or street food because they prepare the food with all of their hearts. You understand? So the customers can come back over and over again. Then the drink, I was introduced to a new drink, which is very good, healthy, not sugary, not too sweet, no gula so much, but I think it's healthy. And I just like the texture and all that. Anyways, where do you guys want me to go again? Do you want to see more of food if you want? I'll be giving it to you. The best way I can. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more food reviews and where you want to see the foods. Should I come with Indian food, Malay food, Chinese food, all these kind of wonderful foods, or even other foreigner food like Thailand, neighboring countries, Indonesia food? Let me know in the comment section below and I will do that for you guys. Till I see you in the next video, make sure you stay positive, stay safe, don't let anybody steal your joy. And if you want to come here, this is section 17. Going to section 19. Section 17 is actually the one up there, while section 19 is this side. Okay, so you can come here from section 17, you can actually just walk down to this place. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay positive. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Much love and God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.